I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering off the Charge 3 and removing the rubber flap over the ports. This exposes the micro screws you'll remove first. Once done, use a T5/T6 Torx to take out the visible screws, then slide a plastic pry tool under the seam and gently separate the plastic shell. Work slowly to avoid clips. Make sure to keep each screw with its original place. You're now ready to access the internal board where the battery sits. You'll now unplug the battery connector from the PCB. Use a small flat tool and pull straight to avoid bending pins. You want to remember which way the connector faces. Next, loosen the adhesive holding the battery and lift it clear. If adhesive is stubborn, warm the area briefly with a hair dryer at low heat to soften it. Insert the new 7/4V pack in the same orientation, route the cable exactly as before, and reconnect. Double-check connections and cable clearance. You'll reassemble by aligning the shell halves, snapping clips together and reinstalling the Torx screws in their original spots. Then replace the rubber flap. Once assembled, charge the speaker for 1 to 2 hours and run a playback test at moderate volume to verify functionality. If the speaker does not power on, make sure the battery connector is fully seated, inspect for pin damage, and measure the battery voltage with a multimeter. If voltage is absent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.